mondiale pour que le dialogue soit relancé pour enfin atteindre un règlement de ce différend. C'est notre vision des choses et je voudrais dire que je suis heureux de voir que la communauté internationale
would only like to clarify one issue, and that is this issue of civilian casualties, the collateral damage, as we call it. This must be avoided as much as possible. The operation must be targeted, well targeted, because it is creating a negative impression of whether this operation, which is against terrorists in Afghanistan, their supporters and their abettors, but it is being perceived in the whole world, may I say, because of the projections through the media and through the television, as if this is a war against the poor, miserable and innocent people of Afghanistan. This is not the case.
Kashmir, Mr. President, His Excellency, in present critical time, where you are going...
As a Muslim, I have expressed my views in all sincerity that continuation of the operation during the month of Ramadan will have its negative fallout in the entire Muslim world. And I did bring this out to President Chirac and also to the Prime Minister here. Government, as we call it, is concerned. No, we are not doing that. And let me also say that for Pakistan's diplomatic relations with Afghanistan and the Taliban is providing a useful diplomatic window of interaction with them, and it is essential that we maintain it. On the second question, whether we know the location of Osama bin Laden, no sir, we don't know it at all. One would like to find that out.
L'agence qui donne un sentiment de désespoir et d'incapacité à toute la population. Je crois qu'à long terme, à plus longue échéance, il faudra...
The goal is directly dependent on intelligence, accurate intelligence input, and if that intelligence input is available, the goal can be achieved in a very short while. So it is very odd that whereas the magnitude of the objective to be achieved is not great at all, it's very minor, it can be achieved in a few hours or a day, but it requires an accurate intelligence input which may take time.
Politiques deviennent teintées de religion et, comme je le disais, ces causes d'opérations sont courtes et simples.
It is because of this dispute that we are confronting each other at Siachen. My troops are sitting at 20,000 feet without oxygen today, and so are Indian troops. So what are we doing to each other? Let's resolve it. Let's not get into semantics of bilateral or trilateral or mediation or facilitation, or these are words, but the end product, we must resolve disputes and live in a friendly manner for the economic well-being of the most impoverished area one of the most impoverished areas of the world, an area of the world which has 1/4 of humanity living there.